Yo, what up guys? So today I'm over here at CP Motorsports catching out with my friend Alan. So let's see what he's up to, and so he can give us an update with the Kraken. So here's the piece, guys. And they have a lot of work today. So let's see what Alan's up to. Let's see if it's welded something. What's up, brother?
What's up, dude?
What you up to?
Right now we're welding some titanium right now.
For the Kraken or what?
Yeah, just got picked up by Tycon sponsorship and
badass.
Doing some intercooler piping today for the car. Just trying to get it ready for 2K, of course.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, Super Bowl of racing.
Yeah. So that's for the intercooler.
Yeah.
How big is this?
This right here, this is 3.5-inch intercooler piping. Yeah, 3.5-inch. Trying to get this thing powered up to, I don't know, hoping for maybe 1,200, 1,300.
Holy shit.
Around. So yeah, we're doing a lot of upgrading to the car.
Yeah.
Last time was over 1,000. So
yeah, I remember that. It was like, well, the first pass was like 960, right? But then something failed.
I had broken actually a coupler.
Oh yeah.
Vibrant clamps. So I had to go HD clamps, and yeah, last time was pretty good.
So now you won't have that issue with these titanium,
huh? We're going titanium. I mean, like I said, we're going all out. We'll be titanium exhaust, new manifold made. Probably start.
Oh yeah.
Maybe next week. Start the new manifold and just get it going, man.
Hell yeah.
Trying to hurt some feelings out there.
For sure.
Break some hearts.
We'll be back here recording and give you guys an update of the Kraken. So you got the new manifold over there, right?
No. Nothing here is in. I got all the piping and everything ready for it, but I just need to actually start. So first I'm going to do the intercooler piping. Once the intercooler piping is done, then I'll start the manifold. Right now I just got a mock-up motor in there.
Oh, okay.
And it's not my motor.
So it's not your motor, okay.
Yeah, motor's at the machine shop. It's just a mock-up motor just to test fit everything, and I mean, countdown's on, so.
All right.
2K, two months away. Really.
2 months already?
2 months away.
Oh,
so
damn, that shit went by fast.
Yeah, I'm here on a Sunday.
Sunday, putting this in work?
Sunday, yeah, putting in work on Sunday.
Damn.
So, either way.
We'll
get back with you. Stay tuned to me boost the TV, and we'll go from there, man.
All right, for sure.
All right.
So here's the Kraken, guys. As you can tell, that's not his motor. It's just a mock-up motor, so you can do the intercooler piping. But check out this freaking manifold. The intake manifold is crazy. And as you can see, it's got two injectors holes. So this car is running 8 injectors on a 4-cylinder. How badass is that? And look at that throttle body too. The thing is huge. Just getting there though. Should be done by, well, he said like 2 months. She's all dustied up. It's been a while. Here goes the interior. Ooh, those seats look so uncomfortable. But then again, they're so lightweight, so makes up for it. And as you can tell, my friend's an alcoholic, so this guy had the Budweiser shift knob. And this right here, guys, that's for the NOS. He's spraying a 200 shot, just so that you know. Yeah, I saw the NOS button, boy. He trying to hide it.
Huh?
I said I saw the NOS button.
Oh.
Nah, just kidding. That's for the rolling anti-lag. If you guys seen this car videos on 1320, you will see that he's got the rolling anti-lag. So they do like a 60 roll, press the button right there, and then flames start shooting up from the hood, and that shit just fucking takes up to the moon. It takes off nasty. This Evo right here too is pushing like 900 horsepower. Those wheels are so nice. These are the welds, full aluminum, super lightweight too. These are what, 18s? I think it looks perfect on 18s, but a little bit too big for my taste. And over here you got what? You got the wastegate. I don't see a turbo though. I wonder what turbo he's got. This car is pretty nice too. I think it's turbo. Was it? Oh, I thought it was a BRC. It's a FRS.
FRS.
Yeah.
It's turbo though.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I see the gauges in here. That's a pretty nice car. Ooh, I like this. I like these seats. That is like super. Like, this is my chest, and here's a car. Well, I guess it's kind of like the 370Z. Let me go around so I can show you guys. Oh, that front end looks sexy, I ain't gonna lie. The intercooler. Damn, that's just pretty nice. I think this is like a boxer engine. Yeah, boy. EJ25. The famous wrinkling blower. Oh yeah, we can miss this GTR too. Shit is freaking nice. Woo! Oh, it's a two-piece rotor. Hell yeah. This color is badass too. See the inside? Mexican hat. So when this car goes to Mexico, you gotta make it legit. It's got a roll cage in it. Damn. Oh wait, what the hell? Oh, this was the bar for the harness. It's pointless to have the back seats if you have the bar. Let's go outside and check out the cars. See an RX-7 over there? I think it's right-hand drive too. I saw it when I came in. Damn, that thing's nice. Those taillights are fucking badass too. And this Honda right here, he just told me that it made around 500 horsepower, 550 or 500. Even though it looks basic with those wheels, it's a truly sleeper. That's a sleeper right there. It's got a K20 turbo. Got the hood exit. But those wheels gotta go. If he's gonna be out here racing, those wheels are no go. No bueno. So hopefully he changes those wheel setup. Hard as sex. This car right here is fucking legit. Let's go drifting, head ass. Nah, that's nice though. And you have an Evil 10 out here. I love this color. Look at the pearls in it. Look at that Subaru, that Corvette. Some Hondas. I think this one's turbo too. But it's got no motor. Got a Mazda. Let's check out this Evo. Ooh-wee. That deep dish though. I love this color too. Oh shit. Well, it can't go over there. There's mud, but there's that. Got a Corvette. Man, they have a lot of cars over here. Got Subaru. We got other Subarus over here. What the hell? Alright, this is a limited edition 4x4. Lifted and everything. Got MR2. There's some more cars over there in the background. But yeah, guys, that's some of these cars. That's some of these cars here in CP Motorsports. So if you're in Houston, make sure to go check them out. Carlos the man for tuning. Trust me. Hopefully I'll get it tuned by him soon, but that's gonna have to wait because I need to rebuild my clutch. So I brought the RC car out and we made a ramp. So I'm about to jump right here and see how it goes. Got done with the pipe. So this was before and this is the after. Look at those welds, dude. That shit's fucking clean. This thing's gonna look fucking sick on the car.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Vamos a terminar.
Dude, that shit looks fucking clean.
Probably like the best turned on.
Oh yeah. Alright guys, so we're heading out now. It's been a long day, well, a long morning. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated with the Kraken. So next video should be about putting the block together, the bottom end pretty much. So stay tuned for the next video. We out.